Welcome to part 5. You've made it this far, and that alone says something important about you. You are committed. You are determined. And most importantly, you're willing to invest in yourself. Today, we're bringing everything together. Not just English, not just fluency, but the mindset that will help you continue improving long after this lesson ends. Let's begin with a simple question. What does fluency actually look like? Many learners imagine a perfect speaker. Someone who never makes mistakes. Someone who always finds the perfect word. Someone who speaks effortlessly every second. But that's not reality. Even highly educated native speakers pause. Even professional presenters occasionally forget words. Even experienced communicators make mistakes. Fluency is not perfection. Fluency is the ability to communicate effectively despite imperfections. The moment you truly understand this, your relationship with English changes. You stop chasing perfection. You start building communication. And communication is where real progress happens. Let's talk about mastery. Mastery isn't a destination. Think about musicians. The best musicians continue practicing. Think about athletes. The best athletes continue training. Think about writers. The best writers continue improving. Why should language be any different? The strongest English speakers never stop learning. They're curious. They pay attention. They continue expanding their abilities. Adopt the mindset of a lifelong learner. Not because you are behind, but because growth is one of the most rewarding experiences in life. Now, let's discuss one of the most important habits for long-term success. Self-belief. Many learners underestimate how much their mindset affects performance. Imagine two people with the same English level. The first person thinks, "My English isn't good enough." The second person thinks, "My English is improving every day." Who do you think will speak more? Who will take more opportunities? Who will practice more consistently? Who will improve faster? The answer is obvious. Your beliefs influence your behavior. And your behavior influences your results. That's why developing a positive learning mindset is not optional. It's essential. Now, let's talk about communication impact. At advanced levels, communication isn't just about speaking correctly. It's about making people feel something. Think about the conversations you remember most. They probably weren't memorable because of perfect grammar. They were memorable because of emotion, inspiration, humor, kindness, authenticity, connection. The most powerful communicators focus on people, not performance. When speaking English, focus on helping people understand you. Focus on sharing ideas. Focus on creating value. Focus on connection. When connection becomes your goal, fluency becomes much easier. Let's discuss another advanced concept: communication presence. Presence means being fully engaged in the current conversation. Many learners are physically present but mentally distracted. While speaking, they're worrying about mistakes. While listening, they're planning their next sentence. As a result, they miss important parts of the conversation. Presence changes this. When someone speaks, truly listen. When it's your turn, fully engage. Stay in the moment. People notice presence. And presence makes communication stronger. Now, let's talk about resilience. Every language learner experiences difficult periods. Weeks when progress feels slow. Days when confidence disappears. Moments when speaking feels frustrating. This is normal. The key is understanding that temporary frustration does not mean permanent failure. Every successful learner has difficult days. The difference is they keep moving forward. When motivation disappears, rely on discipline. When confidence disappears, rely on consistency. When progress feels invisible, rely on trust. Trust that effort produces results. Because it does. Maybe not instantly. Maybe not dramatically. But consistently. You'll express an idea naturally. You'll understand something without translating. You'll speak without overthinking. And you'll realize something incredible. You are no longer the person who started this journey. You have grown. And that growth deserves recognition. Let's focus on your future. Imagine 6 months from now. Imagine 1 year from now. Imagine speaking confidently with international colleagues. Imagine traveling and communicating naturally. Imagine participating in meetings. Imagine passing interviews. Imagine building friendships across cultures. Imagine accessing opportunities that once seemed impossible. But remember something important. The language itself is not the destination. The life you build through the language is the destination. English is a tool, a powerful tool, a tool for connection, a tool for learning, a tool for growth. Use it boldly. Use it consistently. Use it without fear. Now, I want to share one final lesson. The most successful learners are not always the most talented. They are often the most persistent. Persistence beats talent when talent stops practicing. Persistence beats motivation when motivation disappears. Persistence creates results. So, whenever you feel discouraged, remember this. You don't have to be perfect today. You don't have to know everything today. You don't have to impress anyone today. You only need to keep moving forward. One lesson, one conversation, one improvement at a time. Small actions repeated consistently create extraordinary outcomes. Never underestimate the power of daily effort. Now, let's review the principles we've explored together. Communicate rather than perform. Focus on ideas rather than individual words. Build confidence through action. Learn language chunks instead of isolated vocabulary. Practice speaking regularly. Listen actively. Think in English whenever possible. Develop curiosity. Expand conversations. Embrace mistakes. Stay consistent. Trust the process. And most importantly, believe in your ability to improve. Because improvement is not reserved for a select few. Improvement belongs to those who continue. Before we finish, I want to thank you for spending this time with me. If this lesson helped you, subscribe to Daily English, like this video, and leave a comment below sharing your biggest takeaway from today's lesson. Your comment may encourage another learner somewhere in the world who needs motivation right now. And that's a beautiful thing. Remember, every fluent speaker was once a beginner. Every confident communicator was once uncertain. Every success story started with a single step. Today, you've taken another step. Be proud of that. Keep learning. Keep growing. Keep speaking. Keep believing. Your English journey is far from over. In many ways, it's only beginning. Thank you for being part of the Daily English community. Take care of yourself. Stay curious. Stay consistent. Stay confident. And I'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep speaking English, keep challenging yourself, and keep becoming the person you want to be. Your future is listening, and your voice deserves to be heard.